And now, would you please welcome two lovely ladies, our District Secondary Teacher of the Year, Andrea Gutierrez from Lamar Academy, and our Elementary District Teacher of the Year, Christy Rogers from Wilson Elementary.
We have fun in my classroom, and I want them to love learning so that they become lifelong learners and they want to keep going even after high school and even after a first degree in most cases.
I love the fact that we're in an environment, the whole district feels that way. You know, family first, take care of your business so that you are the best teacher that you can be when you're in the classroom with those students, because everything else is good for you.
Hello, everybody. Before we say thank you, we wanted to take a quick selfie with all of you. Awesome.
So good afternoon, McAllen ISD. I'm Christy Rogers, your Elementary District Teacher of the Year, and I'm from Wilson Elementary.
And I'm Andrea Gutierrez, your Secondary District Teacher of the Year from Lamar Academy.
For all of our staff that is new to McAllen ISD, we would like to say, welcome to the family!
And for all of us, for everyone else, we want to say welcome back to our new school year.
As we reflect on being the honor of being named District Teachers of the Year, we are fully aware that we did not do this alone. We completely believe that this is we, not me. And we are McAllen ISD.
At each campus, we know that no matter what your title is, you are an important part of your team. And if you're like me, this team becomes more like your family during the school year.
So on that note, because this is the first time that we've been able to speak to everybody, we kind of wanted to take a minute to thank, in the honor of what you were saying right now, some of the people that have gotten us to where we are today. I'd like to first of all thank my husband, Stephen. He's not here right now, but as many of you know, being married to a teacher takes a very special person. So thank you, Stephen. And of course, my daughters for always being there and keeping me young at heart. I also would like to thank Dr. Noel, because she is the person that took a chance on me and gave me my first teaching position. I'm not sure where you are, but thank you very much. There you are, thank you. And then I can't forget all of the team members that I've had all throughout my teaching career. I'm gonna give some shout outs here. Paulina Elizondo, Minnie Flores, Michelle Callahan, Alex Berglund, Jackie Cantu, Karen Torres, Bertha Vasquez and Jeanette Pelton, Naomi Moreno, Leti Maldonado, and Maritza Rodriguez. Jessica and Lucy, my new team members, I look really forward to working with you this year and learning from you and growing with you together. And most of all, I would like to thank my Garza and my Wilson families, because every one of you have reached me somewhere, taught me something, and put me where I am today. But last but not least, I need to thank my mentors, the people that really showed me what it was to be a teacher, to work your hardest and give it all. Of course, Miss Christine Garza, thank you so much for everything you've taught me. I wouldn't be anywhere with all the knowledge. Donna Bazivziak, you too, thank you so, so much. Pat Avila, thank you. You've been such an amazing mentor to me, and I really, really appreciate it. And of course, I can never forget the one and only Katie Schultz, who put me on the path, who taught me everything and saw something special in me and was able to get me where I am today. So thank everybody.
So like Christy, my actual family and my MISD family have had a huge impact on me as an educator. My family, Pia, who is here today, hi Mom, Arnoldo and Federico, my brother, have been my biggest supports and are the ones who encouraged me to become an educator. Although I initially didn't listen to my mother's suggestion to become a teacher, I am grateful for her unconditional love, support, and advice throughout the years. I'd also like to thank from the bottom of my heart my mentors at Rowe, Mac High, and Lamar, who have helped me grow in my teaching and in my leadership, and who have made this journey extremely enjoyable. Yvette Correa, Renee Richmond, Marisa Sarabando, Laura Nickstad, Mariel Garcia, Melina Recio, Mr. Canales, Sal Flores, and Mrs. Peña. Thank you for helping me be a good teacher for my students and for being there to encourage me along the way. There are many, many of you who I love and admire throughout this school district, and you know who you are.
So as we start this new school year, just remember that because we are a family, every one of you has somebody around you that can help you succeed. They can help you answer your questions, give you guidance, and maybe even vent a little bit too.
So we'll leave you with this. We challenge you to work this year very hard for your students. Have fun in your classroom and expand the minds of your students with knowledge. Let's all get out there and show them what McAllen ISD is all about. Have a great year, everyone!